see the market analysis for 6th January. First we'll start with the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is in the uptrend phase from the beginning of the year, and when we see today's market, it has been forming a consolidation after crossing these two horizontal lines. It is in a wedge pattern. The uptrend may follow after forming the consolidation. So if it breaks the upper trend line, we can enter the market with a target of 1.06%, and our stop loss can be here at 0.33%. Or if it goes the other way, if it breaks the support trend line and moves downward, and after breaking this horizontal line, we can enter the market with getting two confirmation with a target of 0.91%, and our stop loss can be at the same 0.33%. Next one is a Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank was in the consolidation phase between these two lines from the November, and it has been in the uptrend after breaking the resistance of the consolidation phase. It is forming a wedge pattern, so it may move uptrend after forming this. So we can enter the market here with the target of 0.99%, and our stop loss can be here at 0.49%. We'll see few shares. First one is a Colgate-Palmolive, which is forming a triple top pattern, and after forming the triple top pattern, there is a phase of consolidation. Triple top pattern indicates market may move downtrend. So if it breaks this trend line, I'll get two confirmation because it is breaking the horizontal line and also the trend line. I'll enter the market here with the target of 1.41%, and my stop loss can be at here 0.80%. Next one is the M&M Financial Service. It is moving in between these two horizontal lines, and this trend line is also supporting. So if it breaks this horizontal line and this trend line after getting two confirmation, I'll enter the market here with the target of 1.72%, and my stop loss can be here at 0.74%. Next one is a PVR Limited. PVR Limited is forming a double bottom pattern, and after that there is a consolidation with the wedge pattern. So if it breaks the lower trend line, we can enter the market because we are getting two confirmation, that is breaking this horizontal line and also breaking the trend line with the target of 1.55%, and stop loss 0.68%. If you see the last candle, it is a bearish engulfing candle, so I am expecting that it will move downtrend tomorrow. Last one is a Hindalco. Hindalco is forming a flag and pole pattern. After being in the uptrend, it is forming a flag and pole pattern. So if it breaks the lower trend line, I'll enter the market with a target of 1.22%, and my stop loss will be here with 0.47%. Thank you.